Let's import our My Free Score Now credit report. In order for you to import your My Free Score Now credit report, you have to click in the Manage Client tab. So let's click there. Then you need to select the client that you're going to import that My Free Score Now credit report for. So click that client. Next, you're going to scroll your screen up to the middle where it says Credit Report Monitoring Site and click the plus sign. So let's go ahead and click there. Next, you're going to type in your username, which is your email and password you created for your My Free Score Now report. Keep in mind that your subscription for My Free Score Now must be active in order for the software to be able to import your credit report. Once you have imported your information into the boxes here, you will keep this option selected as both My Free Score Now Default Report and Epic Pro Report and click Save. Once the report has been successfully saved, you will see a green notification that says My Free Score Now Default Report successfully saved and the Epic Pro Report successfully saved. Now, once you have imported that information, once you scroll your screen up, in this area, you should see My Free Score Now Default Report and Epic Pro Report. If both of these are not listed here, the software did not recognize or read your report correctly, and you will need to go and delete everything out, ensure that that report is active with My Free Score Now, and re-import your information. Once you have completed this task, you can then go to the work area to attack the negative items on your credit report.